If you're looking to set up Mailchimp for real-time tracking, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do it step by step. Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to track your campaigns in real time so you can adjust your strategy instantly for better results. First things first, real-time tracking allows you to monitor your campaigns as they happen, giving you insights into how people are interacting with your emails. This is key to understanding what works and what doesn't, which can massively improve your email marketing performance. Next thing, let's jump into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, you can start for free by clicking the first link in the description below. With our exclusive bonus, you can get access to even more features without spending a dime. Once you're logged in, go to the Campaigns section. Choose the campaign you want to track or start a new one. The beauty of Mailchimp's platform is that it gives you everything you need to track your performance without being overwhelming. In the campaign settings, look for the Tracking options. Now, here's the fourth thing, enabling real-time tracking. Mailchimp has two main tracking features you'll want to use, Open Tracking and Click Tracking. Both options are automatically enabled, but you can double-check here to ensure they're active. Open Tracking tells you when someone opens your email, and Click Tracking gives you insight into which links people are clicking within your emails. This data can help you understand how engaged your audience is and what content interests them most. Next thing, make sure you're tracking e-commerce data if you're using Mailchimp's integration with an e-commerce platform. This is huge if you want to track sales and revenue directly from the email campaigns. In your Mailchimp dashboard, head over to the e-commerce section, connect your store, and then enable e-commerce tracking in the campaign settings. This allows you to see not just opens and clicks, but also direct conversions linked to your emails. The sixth thing to consider is setting up Google Analytics integration. If you're not using this yet, it's a great way to get deeper insights into how your email traffic is performing on your website. Once you've connected Google Analytics, you can add UTM parameters to your campaign links. This will let you track how visitors from your email campaigns behave once they land on your site. Another important step, segmenting your audience. You'll want to break down your audience into smaller segments based on their engagement with your emails. This will give you a clearer picture of how different groups respond in real time. In Mailchimp, go to the Audience tab and set up custom segments based on user behaviors like opens, clicks, or even purchases. This helps you tailor your content and messaging for maximum impact. Finally, let's talk about reports. After your campaign is live and you've started collecting data, you can dive into the real-time reports. Go to the Reports section of Mailchimp and you'll see a live overview of how your campaign is performing. You'll get access to detailed data, including opens, clicks, and geographic data, so you can make decisions on the fly. Before you go, don't forget that I mentioned in the video how you can try Mailchimp with an exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link below. Get started with the tools you need to take your email marketing to the next level today. That's it. Setting up real-time tracking in Mailchimp is simple, and once it's in place, you'll be able to monitor your campaigns closely and make adjustments as needed. I hope you found this guide useful, and remember, for more tips and exclusive offers, check out the first link in the description below. Happy marketing!